My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Trekology A Loved Pillow. This is the second one that I purchased. The first one that I purchased got a hole in it, and I'd like to do kind of an updated review. Apparently, Trekology said that they could replace it. I have not been in contact with them yet, but I have heard that Trekology is very good at replacing it. But today we're just doing the unboxing of my new pillow that I bought. I bought the what's known as the Comfort Green pillow. I don't know why. Anyways, so I bought the Comfort Green pillow. It's the same one. I love this, first of all, because this little tiny pillow is, it weighs just like a couple ounces. And look, it's the size of a soda can. Look at how tiny it is. Seriously. Usage instructions. To inflate, open exterior valve, click back the button to up position to close air release, inflate by mouth to deflate, click black button to down position to open air release. I'm excited. I'm not even gonna lie. You know why? Because it's tiny. It's a tiny little pillow, and guess what? I need another one because I popped mine in the Grand Canyon. Well, I didn't pop it, but it deflates slowly now over time, and I have to figure out what's wrong with it. Maybe I'll make a video about it. We will see. Anyways, here's my new pillow. Oh, it looks a little bigger now. look how much bigger it is. Really? This is crazy. Okay. The other one was tiny. This one is a lot bigger, and I like the green size. Let's try and inflate it. All right, it's in the up position. What I like is that this is so easy to inflate. I mean, look how fast it is, you know? And that's it. Just place. Ta-da! And look, it actually is the same size as my old one, the old orange one. And then, look, it just folds up and fits into this teeny tiny little bag. A bag the size of like a can of soda. Nice, huh? Good night. Anyways, it's all full of air. What I like about this one is that it is incredibly lightweight. It's only air. They have some other pillows that have cotton in them. It makes it heavier. It makes it more comfortable, but it does make it heavier. And to me, that's just, I just need something that I need to fill with air and then be on my way. You know what I mean? So in order to fit this back into the bag, you click the, as you saw, I opened the valve, I click the button to the down position, and guess what? It starts deflating immediately. And then you can just simply roll this up like so. Piece of cake. Isn't this nice, huh? Then it fits inside the little tiny bag that we saw. And that's it. So you just make it into a little cylinder like so. Pop it in this bag. And that's it. You did it. You put it back in the bag. Usually I remove the tag as well. You know, there's no need for that. It's a pillow. It's very simple to use. See? Like so. And then this cinch is closed. And we did it. We did the pillow. Ta-da! That's it. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing. I'm excited to use this. I just bought the same one, you know. Why get something new when something old works? You know what I mean? Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content. If you liked it, you want to see more like it, look at the beautiful scenery behind me. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at how cute it is.